Hello everybody and welcome to 2021. Yep, this is the first upload I have made since 2021. Well, technically it's the first. First time, well, no, technically I guess it's the first time I've been behind camera in 2021 while shooting in 2021. Yeah, regardless. So, how's 2021 treating you guys so far? I hope everybody is having fantastic year so far and already starting to plan all their New Year's outings. Being as this is the first upload for 2021, I wanted to take this opportunity and look back on 2020. And I know 2020 is a wild ride for us all, and I just wanted to look back on 2020 and look at some of the positive things that we have accomplished on this channel. So I thought the best way to do this was start at January 1st, 2020, when we rang in the new year. Less than 100 degrees. Oh, right. You're at 10 degree, a little bit more. Good morning, YouTube. All right. Oh, I see what you're getting at. So yeah, it's 32 3/4. Ball tap, ball tap. Hold on.
Go step back and look at it straight. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
I mean,
Right in there.
just right in there.
Right up in there.
Yeah.
There you go, Seth. You ready to go to the track?
See you there.
What's Callahan brake parts?
Oh, they're the
Wait. Callahan.
Tommy boy.
Whoa, that was close.
Lights it on fire.
Other guys' brake pads.
What happens when you don't have Callahan brake pads? So you got the best.
What is that, Colton?
It's one of my truck.
So another big thing as a proud father, Jacob, my oldest son, did his first donut. First time he ever got in a car. First time he ever, well, okay, rewind. It's not the first time he ever drove. He's drove up and down the driveway. He's drove hundreds of times on the lawn tractors. We have 7 acres and he mows all that. So driving wasn't anything out of the ordinary. He's had go-karts, golf carts, all that fun jazz, 4-wheelers, dirt bikes, but he's never drove a manual car. So we decided it was Memorial Day, private track day with Drift STL, and I said, you know what, Jacob, it is time for you to learn how to drive a stick. So we tossed him the keys to the Rwdyaudi, and the first thing that I asked him to do, let's do a donut. So in 2020, here's Jacob doing a donut. Chuck it in there.
Clutch!
You won't. Quick, let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys enjoy these montages? So a quick breakdown of what we did. a little paint pen. And just go like.
Look, this.
Like that, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Formula Drift, here we are.
Right.
STL.
So that is.
We got the best view in the house of everything. The traveling circus down there. Adam LZ, you can kind of see right over there where my tip of my finger is. So they're racing.
What's up, guys? Over here, we're at Marion County Raceway.
It's Thursday, September 17th, and today we're leaving for Race Wars. Oh, that's fertilizer.
To Ohio 37 West.
Yes, Mom.
You feel free to ask for me. My name is Marcos, so I'll just grab it. We'll get you taken care of.
Perfect. Thank you so much, dude.
Jack, there you go.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
run by the time you leave.
You got trophy to give out, bro.
I hope this thing will bring me at least 1/10 of a second. I will install it and we'll do a test tonight. I hope I can probably take down one of the bigger pro mods out here. Fit me, yo.
Rise.
Ah, look at that. We got a lot to do and probably about 2 hours to do it for today. So let's get it done.
Day 4.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year's to you, because by the time you might see this, it's 2021. If not, it's 2020 right now. It's like 10:37 in New York City. I got the ball playing in the garage. I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you. We just passed the 500 subscriber milestone, and that is amazing. That was one of my goals for 2020. Well, that was 2020 for you. Today is like January 11th, 2021. And guys, present day. And guys, 2021 is already packed full of stuff. LS Fest, we're going to SEMA if they have it. Drift Nirvana, Grid Life. I want a Pro-Am license and I want to get one. 2021 is the perfect year to go get a Pro-Am license and be competitive. So I got a lot of work ahead of us on the LSA drift car, which you guys, if you don't know already, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'll put a link in the description, not in the description. I'll put a link at the end of this video to get each and every one of you who are interested in that caught up. And then if you're here for all the DIYs and maintenance stuff, I'll put a link over here for the most up-to-date DIY and maintenance vlog. I've got a lot more DIYs to come soon. We've got a right-hand drive Audi A5 3-liter diesel 6-speed manual in the shop right now that we're doing an RS5 headlight conversion on. So you're gonna be able to catch that one because that also works on your left-hand drive Audi A5, along with how to use the VADCOM to program the headlight module. Is pretty much universal across the platform. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I'm Audi. Oh, that was a mouthful at the end there. Hey, here's those 2 videos I promised. Check them out. Right here they are.